These gloves are seriously impressive. The fit is spot on true to size. Need to go up to down. The guard leather feels premium, definitely not cheap, and the weather repellent works exactly as advertised. Knuckly guards and the padding handle impact and vibration like champ, perfect for heavy duty work, power tools, even some workouts where your nitty grip and protection. Touchscreen fingers actually works, which is huge. They're held up those everything if those have them no rips, nowhere. The screeching solid worth every dollar for sure. One thing's to note, they're not built for freezing cold weather, more for active hands. One job's my body cold, grabbed this for me as a gift, and they become my go-to pair.